we have today the Tower Digital air fryer. So this is the T17039. It's one of the newest additions into the Tower air fryer range, and it's very, very stylish. It looks nice on your countertops. So a frequently asked question by a Tower customer is, how do I get this to work without using one of the preset settings? Now, it's really, really easy to do. So we'll go first of all to switch it on. So you press and hold the power button, and this brings up the digital display. So if you were to use one of the preset settings, you would press the list button, which will take you through each of the different settings that are available. So there is an icon for each that pops up as you press this button. But today we're just going to work off using a temperature and a time. So to manually adjust the temperature, you only need to press the up or down button, which will take you through the temperatures. So this ranges from 65 degrees to 200. You can either choose to quick press or long press to run through, and that'll automatically take you through. Now, my recipe requires 180 degrees. So it goes up by increments of 5. And I require a time of 20 minutes. Now you will see that there are up and down controls for your time. There is a little symbol just there. So again, you can either choose to press and hold to go through. So the time is changeable between 1 minute to 60, but my recipe requires 25 minutes. Now to get it to run, all you need to do is press the play, pause, dash power button, and it automatically starts to work, as you can hear. Now, if you wanted a light so you could see what food you're cooking, just press the light button. To cancel out of the setting, all you need to do is hold the power button. It will take a minute just to power down, but you will hear when it's done and the fan stops. There we go, all done.